हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्जाम प्लस एकेडमी। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे हमारे लास्ट 6 मंथ यानी कि अप्रैल से सितंबर तक का लास्ट 6 मंथ का बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस का क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो है जो मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ। लास्ट 6 मंथ अप्रैल टू सितंबर ये क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो है, इसलिए हम इसमें क्वेश्चन को ज्यादा डिटेल में डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर को। ठीक है, तो इसमें हम एक लीनियर वे में क्वेश्चन को पढ़ेंगे और उसका आंसर पढ़ेंगे। लास्ट 6 मंथ का क्विक रिवीजन वीडियो बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस अप्रैल टू सितंबर। इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है सभी बैंक एग्जाम्स के लिए और साथ ही साथ इंटरव्यू के लिए भी। और आप लोग हमारे ब्लॉग चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, हिमानी बिस ब्लॉग, और ये सारी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस हमारे चैनल पर अवेलेबल है, आप लोग जाके देख सकते हैं। प्लेलिस्ट में अलग अलग प्लेलिस्ट में ये सारे वीडियोस हैं। स्टैटिक बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस, लास्ट 6 मंथ करंट अफेयर्स और आरबीआई सर्कुलर, ये सभी इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए। जिन एग्जाम्स में बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स के साथ साथ जहाँ पे करंट अफेयर्स पूछे जाते हैं वहां पे भी ये वीडियोस काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का सेशन। सबसे पहले हम आरबीआई इन न्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। इसमें आरबीआई इन न्यूज में हम कौन कौन से टॉपिक लेंगे, कौन कौन से टॉपिक हम कवर करेंगे वो देख लेते हैं। आरबीआई सर्कुलर्स, बैंकिंग लाइसेंस, फाइन इम्पोज्ड ऑन बैंक्स, आरबीआई गाइडलाइंस और आरबीआई कहता है, ये सभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हमारा आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है, what is the deadline for regulated entities to put in place guidelines on digital lending? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 30 नवंबर 2022 is the right answer of this question. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what is the maximum service charge required on cash deposited by non-chest bank branches to the large modern currency chest? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ₹8 is the right answer of this question. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, RBI enables cross-border bill payments via Bharat Bill Payment System. The direction has been issued under which section of Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA 1999? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 10(4) and section 1st. ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, Exim Bank Government of India supported line of credit of $-million to the government of the Kingdom Eswatini, Swaziland for the purpose of financing construction of new parliament building in Eswatini. राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? $108.28 million. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सपोर्टेड लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट ऑफ $$million टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ रिपब्लिक ऑफ उज्बेकिस्तान। राइट आंसर हो जाएगा $448 million. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अंडर विच सेक्शन ऑफ द Banking Regulation Act 1949, RBI has revised the branch authorization policy in left-wing extremism affected district. Right answer क्या हो जाएगा इसका? Section 23 is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है, RBI circle outsourcing of financial services responsibilities of regulated entities employing recovery agents shall not apply to which of the following? तो microfinance loans is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, RBI has advised the banks to specially monitor the credit flow to minorities in how many districts? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा 121 is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, RBI has raised the additional factor of authentication AFA limit of e-mandates for transaction from ₹5,000 to dash. राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ₹15,000 is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, फ्रॉड रजिस्ट्री विल बी रिलीज्ड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? तो आरबीआई इसका सही आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ बैंक अकाउंट्स ओपन अंडर पीएम जन धन योजना स्कीम एज ऑफ 24 अगस्त 2022? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 46.40 करोड़ इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, RBI has set the deadline for card tokenization to dash. राइट आंसर है 30 September is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा क्वेश्चन है, which of the following has allowed invoicing and payments for international trade in Indian rupee in August 2022? RBI इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, according to survey by Ipsos India, which are 3 most trusted institution in the country? राइट आंसर इसका क्या हो जाएगा? ऑल ऑफ द अबव, यानी कि डिफेंस फोर्सेज, आरबीआई, पीएमओ, जिसके सभी सही आंसर है, तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट हमारा है, द आरबीआई एंड विच बैंक हैज साइन एन एमओयू टू इंप्रूव म्यूचुअल कोऑपरेशन बिटवीन देम? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? बैंक इंडोनेशिया इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, आरबीआई इन इट्स पेमेंट विजन 2 2025 aims to increase the number of digital payment transaction by more than dash by 2025. राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 3-fold is the right answer of this question. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है which of the following has have been approved by RBI for cross border payments. राइट आंसर है all of the above, यानी कि ओपन कैश फ्री पेमेंट्स, पे नियर बाय और फिर फेयर एक्सप्रेस द राइट आंसर. तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बैंक नोट सर्वे ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स फाइंडिंग हैज रिवील्ड दैट रुपीज डैश वाज द मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड बैंक नोट. तो ₹100 इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है as per the RBI guidelines, bank may allow qualified dwellers to remit advance payment for how many days for the import of gold through IIBX in compliance to the extent foreign trade policy and regulations issued under IFSC Act. Right answer है 11 days is the right answer of this question. हमारा next question है according to the RBI, the public sector bank have reported over a 51% dip in the amount involved in fraud to rupees dash during the financial year ended March 2022. कितना सही आंसर हो जाएगा इसका? 40,295 crore is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया बोर्ड यानी कि आरबीआई बोर्ड हैज अप्रूव्ड अ डिविडेंड पेमेंट ऑफ रुपीज डैश टू द सेंटर फॉर द फिस्कल ईयर 21-22. राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ₹30,307 crore is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है RBI has decided to create a straightforward 4-tiered regulatory framework for dash. Right answer क्या हो जाएगा? Urban cooperative banks is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है what is the deadline set by RBI for banks to implement local-level cassette to swap in all their ATMs? Right answer क्या हो जाएगा? March 31st, 2023. Next हमारा question है according to RBI data, the All India House Price Index rose by dash year on year in the first quarter of 22-23. Right answer इसका क्या हो जाएगा? 3.5% is the right answer. Next हमारा question है the Financial Inclusion Index FI index of RBI in March 2022 was recorded at dash. Right answer क्या हो जाएगा? 56.4 is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है under RBI liberalized remittance scheme LRS, how much did Indian remit in the quarter financial year 23? Right answer क्या हो जाएगा इसका? $6.04 billion is the right answer. Next हमारा question है RBI has accepted the center's request for allowing non-financial institution and non-regulatory entities to own more than -% of IDBI Bank. 40 is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है DAS has announced several restrictions on 3 cooperative banks for non-compliance with the directions. Right answer हो जाएगा RBI is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है RBI has raised the limits for individual housing loan being extended by urban cooperative banks and rural cooperative banks. The limits have been increased from to dash for RCBs with assessed net worth less than ₹100 crore. ₹50 lakh is the right answer. Next question है हमारा The Reserve Bank of India has reduced the minimum net worth requirement for non-bank Bharat bill payment operating units from ₹100 crore to ₹25 crore is the right answer. Next हमारा question है RBI has asked all banks to give the options of which one to the consumers at their ATMs. Right answer क्या हो जाएगा? ICCW is the right answer. Next हमारा question है how many member group has been constituted by RBI to examine customer service standards? Right answer क्या हो जाएगा? 6 is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है RBI has imposed a penalty of ₹59 lakh on KEB Hana Bank for non-compliance with the certain norms related to dash. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Interest rate on deposits is the right answer. Next हमारा question है RBI has amended norms for banks to claim the amount of interest subvention which is provided to farmers under the short-term crop loan scheme through Kisan Credit Card in order to provide short-term crop loans up to ₹3 lakh to farmers at an interest rate of 7% per annum. The government offers interest subvention of 10% annually to banks. तो 2% इसका सही आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा According to the Reserve Bank of India, bank have reported a total fraud of how many crore, ये पूछा गया है इस क्वेश्चन में। इसका सही आंसर कितना हो जाएगा? 34,097 crore is the right answer of this question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज फिक्स द लिमिट फॉर वे एंड मींस एडवांसेस फॉर स्टेट एंड यूनियन टेरिटरीज एट डैश। तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा 47,010 crore rupees. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज इशूड फ्रेमवर्क फॉर जियो टैगिंग ऑफ पेमेंट सिस्टम टच पॉइंट एक्सेप्टेंस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फुली ओन सब्सिडरी ऑफ आरबीआई। तो इसका राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, आरबीआई हैज एक्सटेंडेड द गाइडलाइंस ऑफ लीगल एंटिटी आइडेंटिफायर टू large borrowers of NBFCs and primary urban cooperative banks. How many digits does the LEI number have? Right answer इसका क्या हो जाएगा? 20 digits is the right answer. Next हमारा क्वेश्चन है, Reserve Bank of India has imposed a fine of rupees 32 lakh on which bank for breach of directions on classifications and reporting of frauds? तो Indian Bank इसका सही आंसर है। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, Reserve Bank of India has imposed a fine of rupees 1.67 crore on dash for non-compliance with certain provisions related to prepaid payment instruments PPI. राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ओला फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डैश एंड सिद्धिकांत पटनायक हैव बीन नेम्ड एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर्स बाय द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। राइट आंसर इसका क्या हो जाएगा? राजीव रंजन इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, Reserve Bank of India has recently imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 1.12 crore on which of the following bank for non-compliance pertains to certain directions issued under the KYC direction of 2016. तो Bank of Maharashtra is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of rupees dash on Manappuram Finance Limited for non-compliance of KYC direction and prepaid payment instruments norms. Right answer क्या हो जाएगा? 17.63 lakh is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, how many lakh rupees has been imposed by RBI on Axis Bank and IDBI Bank? So rupees 93 lakh is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, recently RBI cancelled the license of Rupee Cooperative Bank Limited. Where is the headquarter of the bank located? तो Pune is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, RBI has cancelled the license of Millet Cooperative Bank Limited based out of dash, so based in Karnataka is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the license of which state Mudhol Cooperative Bank Limited, thus restricting it for repayment of deposits and acceptance of fresh funds. Right answer क्या हो जाएगा इसका? कर्नाटका is the right answer of this question. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे। जो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है बैंक के न्यूज, जिसमें हम प्राइवेट बैंक्स, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक, अदर बैंक्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच बैंक हैव बीन सेलेक्टेड बाय आरबीआई फॉर द टेस्ट फेज ऑफ द ऑन टॉप एप्लीकेशन फैसिलिटी? एचडीएफसी बैंक इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैंक हैज अनाउंस्ड द लॉन्च ऑफ न्यू कैंपेन टाइटल विजिल आंटी? राइट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका? एचडीएफसी बैंक इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, विच बैंक हैज पार्टनर्ड विद टाटा न्यू टू लॉन्च 2 न्यू क्रेडिट कार्ड्स? एचडीएफसी बैंक इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैंक हैज पार्टनर्ड विद एनपीसीआई टू लॉन्च रुपे क्रेडिट कार्ड? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा आईसीआईसी बैंक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन अ फर्स्ट विच बैंक हैज ओपन इट्स ऑल वुमेन ब्रांच इन कोझिकोड इन नॉर्थ केरला? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा एचडीएफसी बैंक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, विच बैंक टॉप्स चार्ट इन द डेबिट कार्ड मार्केट? राइट आंसर इसका क्या हो जाएगा? SBI is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, which bank recently launched online saving banks account opening facility through video based customer identification process VCIP? राइट आंसर इसका क्या हो जाएगा? इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा कर्नाटका बैंक इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which of the following bank has set up a raised goal as part of its plan to be among top 3 PSBs in India? Right answer है यूनियन बैंक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which bank will be among the world's top 10 most valuable banks after its merger with its parent? राइट आंसर इसका क्या हो जाएगा? HDFC बैंक इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, केनरा बैंक हैज लॉन्च्ड डैश इट्स मोबाइल बैंकिंग ऐप। राइट आंसर क्या है? केनरा AI1 is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has launched its KCC digital renewal scheme enabling eligible customers to renew their किसान credit card accounts via digital modes? Right answer इसका क्या हो जाएगा? Indian Bank is the right answer of this question. Next हमारा question है, which bank recently received approval from SEBI to raise funds through an initial public offering IPO? So, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, which bank has launched skill loans in association with the Additional Skill Acquisition Program ASAP Kerala? तो केनरा बैंक इसका सही आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which of the following state has established Nandini Shira Samriddhi Cooperative Bank initiative which will provide greater financial strength for the milk producers? Karnataka is the right answer of this question. Next question है हमारा, which bank has signed an agreement with the National Minorities Development and Finance Corporation NMDFC for the development of financial accounting software and mobile application? ICICI Bank is the right answer. Next question, which bank recently introduced a new term deposit scheme KBL Amrit Samriddhi on the occasion of 75 year of इंडिपेंडेंस एंड आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव? तो कर्नाटका बैंक इसका सही आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल फोकस सैलरी अकाउंट लॉन्च्ड बाय कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा कोटक क्रीप इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which of the following bank has introduced a unique term deposit program called Utsav Deposit Scheme? State Bank of India is the right answer. Next question, which bank has launched its first branch dedicated to startups in Koramangala, Bangalore? Right answer इसका हो जाएगा State Bank of India is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has completed technical integration with new e-filing portal of the income tax department? Kotak Mahindra Bank is the right answer. Next question, which of the following bank has signed an MOU with Indian Air Force to provide specially designed product to the defense personnel under the bank's flagship scheme of Raksha Plus? Right answer है Punjab National Bank. Next question है, what is Equitas Small Finance Bank exclusive saving account for kids named as Enjoy is the right answer of this question. Next question है, new banking platform Freo has launched its digital saving account Freo Save in partnership with Dash. Right answer हो जाएगा Equitas Small Finance Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has recently launched a new portal called SIBTF Online for its corporate EXIM customer? South Indian Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has approved a proposal to raise rupees 20,000 crore in debt to fund business growth? Right answer हो जाएगा IndusInd Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which electric two-wheeler manufacturer has partnered with the State Bank of India to offer vehicle financing for its customer? Ether Energy is the right answer. Next question है, which payment bank has partnered with Go Digit General Insurance Limited to provide small and medium business owners with shop insurance coverage? तो Fino Payments Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which of the following bank is not collaborated with the UPEIDA for the UP Defence Industrial Corridor? Union Bank of India is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has announced $250 million in lending support for high growth technology led startups in India? HSBC Bank is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, which of the following bank has partnered with Just Money to expand its cardless EMI facility for purchases on retail and e-commerce platform? ICICI Bank is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, which state government has recently signed an MOU with India Post Payment Bank for obtaining life certificate from passengers through doorstep services of the postal department? Tamil Nadu is the right answer. तमिलनाडु इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which payment bank had recently introduced the issuer charges for the Aadhaar enabled payment system AEPS? India Post Payment Bank is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, Mahagram has tied up with which bank to digitize the nation payment ecosystem and provide a wider scope to transact for its customers in rural India? IndusInd Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has partnered with Retalio to launch a new range of co-branded credit cards primarily targeted at chemists and pharmacies in the merchant segment. HDFC Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has signed MOU with the BSF under the Central Armed Police Salary Package CAPSP scheme? State Bank of India is the right answer. Next question है, digital broking solution e-broking has been launched by which bank? Indian Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which of the following private sector lender has introduced the 30-minute express car loans to end-to-end digital new car loan solution for both existing and non-customer? HDFC Bank is the right answer. IDBI Bank will sell 1/4 of its share in which of the following insurance companies? So as is for federal life insurance is the right answer. Next question है, which of the following bank has launched an online platform TradeNext which enables corporate and MSME? Right answer हो जाएगा Union Bank of India. Next question है, which bank has joined hands with London-based Santander UK Place in fact aimed at facilitating the banking requirements of corporates operating across both countries? ICICI Bank is the right answer. Next question है, which bank has launched India's first comprehensive open for all digital ecosystem for all MSME in the country? ICICI Bank is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, Union Cabinet has recently approved additional funding of rupees dash for India Post Payment Bank IPPB rupees 820 crores. Next question, which bank has partnered with Anthil Ventures and Head Start Network Foundation to launch Bank's Business Class, founded to support promising startups? DBS Bank is the right answer. Next question, which bank has launched its first digital product pre-approved personal loan product under Project Word of Advanced Virtual Experience Wave? Indian Bank is the right answer. Next question, which bank has become the first public sector bank to go live on the account aggregator AA ecosystem? Union Bank of India is the right answer. Next question, which payment bank has partnered with IndusInd Bank to offer FD facilities to its customer? Airtel Payments Bank is the right answer. Next question, Finclusion is a financial inclusion initiative launched by which bank? India Post Payment Bank is the right answer. Next question, which small finance bank has partnered with Kindle and IT infrastructure services provided for a period of 5 years for digital and IT transformation? Suryoday Small Finance Bank is the right answer. Next question, which bank has launched a new deposit scheme named Vikas Sri Sampat 1111? Right answer is Karnataka Vikas Grameen Bank is the right answer. Next question, SBI has raised 3-year funds of debt through a syndicated loan facility at very fine pricing through at IFSC Gift City branch. Right answer, $500 million is the right answer. Next question, which of the following bank has implemented the positive pay system being compulsory for check payments worth rupees 10 lakh and above? Punjab National Bank is the right answer. Next question, name of the super app launched by Union Bank of India? Union NXT is the right answer of this question. Next question, which bank has partnered with Quick.id to implement digital KYC, video KYC and eKYC for its network across India? Central Bank of India is the right answer. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है इंडेक्स रैंक्स एंड रिपोर्ट. इसमें हम लास्ट 6 मंथ के सभी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कवर करेंगे. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू रिपोर्ट टाइटल डिजिटल बैंक्स रिलीज्ड बाय नीति आयोग यूपीआई ट्रांजैक्शंस हैव सरपास्ड डैश in value. Rupees 4 trillion is the right answer. Next question, Al-Fujah has been declared as which fully digital banking district? 5th is the right answer. Next question, according to the UN, what percent of the population in India owned digital currency in 2021? 7.3% is the right answer. Next question, India overtook which country to become the 5th largest economy in the world? UK is the right answer of this question. Next question, according to a research report released by SBI, by when will India emerge as world's 3rd largest economy? 229 is the right answer. 2029 इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which of the following state has become the largest state in terms of outstanding portfolio of microfinance loans? Tamil Nadu is the right answer. Next question, according to WHO report, which country was top remittance recipient in 2021 receiving $87 billion? Right answer है India, $87 billion. Next question, which of the following state topped in utilization of agriculture infrastructure funds in financial year 21-22? Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. Next question, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, the number of startups in India as recognized by the DPIIT has crossed a landmark milestone of dash. 75,000 is the right answer. Next question, which Indian firm is the top ranked company in the 2021 Fortune Global 500 list among other Indian corporates? LIC is the right answer. Next question, Zomato backed Shiprocket becomes India's best unicorn after raising $33.5 million. 106 is the right answer. Next question, which of the following bank has been named the 2022 World's Best SME Banks by Euromoney for the second time? DBS Bank is the right answer. Next question, recently Fitch Ratings revised the outlook on long-term issue defaulter ratings of 9 Indian banks to stable is the right answer. Next question, India's fund in Swiss banks jumped 50% to over rupees 30 lakh crore in 2020-21. What is the rank of India in this chart? The 44th is the right answer. Next question, India's bioeconomy could likely reach $300 billion by which year? The 2030 is the right answer. Next question, which country has become the largest trading partner of India? USA is the right answer. Next question, as per the latest report by PhonePe in collaboration with BCG, India's digital payments market is expected to reach $10 trillion by dash. So 2026 is the right answer of this question. Next question, which bank has been adjudged best performing bank in self-help group linkage by Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Mission? Right answer HDFC Bank is the right answer. Next हम चलेंगे हमारे टॉपिक पे. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है लोन एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स. इसमें हम लास्ट 6 मंथ की क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, वर्ल्ड बैंक क्लियर्स $डैश लोन फॉर पीएम आयुष्मान भारत हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मिशन. $1 billion is the right answer of this question. Next है हमारा, World Bank has approved $350 million as financial aid for the Shrestha Ji project of which state? Right answer Gujarat is the right answer. Next question है, the government of India has contributed dash to the United Nations as part of the initiative which aims to enhance public outreach of the organization in Hindi. कितना हो जाएगा इसका सही आंसर? $8 lakh is the right answer. चलेंगे नेक्स्ट पे. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इंडिया contributes $10 million to United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian refugees Right answer हो जाएगा $2.5 is the right answer. Next question, the government approved a startup loan of dash to TGP Bioplastic Private for commercializing compostable plastic. Rupees 1.15 crore is the right answer. Next question, how much India has contributed to voluntary trust funds for protection of human rights? Rupees 3 crore is the right answer. Next question, Adani Transmission Limited revolving loan facility has been tagged as green loan by Sustainalytics. What is the amount of this revolving loan facility being implemented in Gujarat and Maharashtra? $700 million is the right answer. Next question, United Nations will give $$ humanitarian aid to Sri Lanka amid the crisis. $48 million is the right answer. Next question, India will provide an additional financial assistance to Sri Lanka to buy fuel as the latter in facing worst financial crisis. $500 million is the right answer. Next question, World Bank has provided dash in financial assistance to Sri Lanka to make payments for essential imports. 600 million US dollar is the right answer. Next, SIDBI has provided the first in principle approval under the SIDBI Cluster Development Fund SCDF for death assistance to the Maharashtra government. 600 crore is the right answer. Next question. ADB will approve loan for how much $1 million to support urban development in Nagaland? $2 million is the right answer. Next question. How much loan will be received from World Bank and AIIB for Gujarat Government Mission School of Excellence project? रुपीज 7,500 crore is the right answer. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. अब हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है अदर फाइनेंशियल न्यूज. इसमें हम अदर फाइनेंशियल न्यूज देखेंगे लास्ट 6 मंथ की. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Mark Zuckerberg recently announced that the company is launching a new payments in chat features on Dash. Instagram is the right answer. Next question. Market Regulator Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has imposed a penalty of rupees 7 crore in dark fiber case on which stock exchange? National Stock Exchange of India Limited is the right answer. Next, in July 2022, fintech startup OneCard becomes India's dash unicorn post $100 million funding. Right answer हो जाएगा 104 is the right answer. Next question. 47th meeting of GST Council held on June 28-29 in Dash. Chandigarh is the right answer. Next question है, which of the following regulator has recently announced the launch of Manthan and Ideathon? SEBI is the right answer. Next question. Which ministry has declared the IT resources of ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and UPI managing entity NPCI as critical information infrastructure? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology is the right answer. Next question. Selling price of banknotes in the denomination of rupees 20, 50, 100 and rupees 200 has gone up in financial year 22. Bharati Reserve Bank Note Mudra Limited presses are situated in Dash in Mysuru is the right answer. Mysuru इसका सही आंसर है. Next question है, a zero coupon, zero principal instrument is issued by which of the following bodies? Not for profit organization is the right answer. Next question. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has inaugurated Dharohar, the National Museum of Customs and GST in which state? Goa is the right answer. Next question. BRICS countries Multilateral Bank NDB will open its first regional office in India in which state? Gujarat is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following company has become the first Indian company to record annual revenue of more than $100 billion? Reliance Industry is the right answer. Next question. Name the Bengaluru-based neo-banking startup which has become the country's 100th unicorn after raising $50 million at a valuation of $1 billion from IIFL. Open is the right answer of this question. Next question है, which company has launched world's first crypto-backed payment card with MasterCard and Depocket? Right answer. Nexo is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following have revised fines on Aadhar Ventures India Limited and its directors for violating insider trading rules and listing conditions? SEBI is the right answer. Next question. SBI Cards launched cashback SBI Card in India. Where is the SBI Card headquarters located? Gurugram is the right answer. Next question. From which year India will start supplying petrol with 20% ethanol at select petrol pumps? 2023 is the right answer of this question. Next question. Which of these has launched India's first one-stop solution portal for electric vehicle ecosystem? HDFC ERGO is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following launched the Cyber Vault as insurance plan, a comprehensive cyber insurance cover for individual? Right answer. SBI General Insurance is the right answer. Next question. Recently, which among the following signed bank assurance pact with Howrah-based Paschim Banga Gramin Bank? SBI Life is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following launched the Startup School India initiative, which aims to gather relevant information on startup building into a systematic curriculum? Right answer. Google is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following has announced the launch of its Nifty Next 50 ETF and Nifty 100 ETF? Right answer. HDFC Mutual Fund is the right answer. Next question. The MasterCard set to replace Paytm as title sponsor for all BCCI matches in India. Who is the president of BCCI? Saurav Ganguly is the right answer. Next question. Which company has bought a stake worth $264 million in Flipkart from its co-founder Binny Bansal? Tencent is the right answer of this question. Next question. Which of these has announced that it becomes the first RBI licensed PPI to launch cash withdrawal using a RuPay powered card from any ATMs across the country? The Omni card is the right answer. Next question. Which financial wellness platform has launched an industry first credit line service using its AI powered chat capability on WhatsApp? Cashy is the right answer. Next question. Which country MUFG Bank has been granted permission to open a branch at Gujarat International Financial Tech City, GIFT City, in a bid to offer a wide range of banking services to both domestic and global clients? Japan is the right answer. Next question. The Federation of Indian Export Organization has launched the first of its kind online marketplace for Indian exporters and foreign buyers. In which of the following year Federation of Indian Export Organizations founded? 1965 is the right answer. Next question. Which company has launched a robo-advisory platform for all mutual fund investment? HDFC Securities is the right answer. Cabinet Committee for Economic Affairs has approved the government's 10% stake sale in Hindustan Zinc Limited. 29.5% is the right answer. Next question. DAS has announced a joint venture general insurance company named as Paytm General Insurance Limited. Paytm is the right answer. Next question. The central government announced that India has recorded the highest ever annual FDI inflow of dash during financial year 2022. $83.57 billion is the right answer. Next question. Which insurance company has launched India's first dental health insurance plan? PNB MetLife India Insurance Company is the right answer. Next question. Which general insurance company has announced to launch Pay As You Drive program to reduce upfront cost of premium? HDFC ERGO is the right answer. Next question. Which insurance company has recently joined the United Nations-backed Principles for Responsible Investment, affirming its commitment to long-term value creation and sustainable growth? HDFC Life Insurance is the right answer. Next question. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has increased the investment limit of all insurance companies to invest in the banking, financial services and insurance companies to -% of investment assets from 25%. 30% is the right answer. Next question. NPCI International Payments Limited has announced the Bheem UPI has gone operational at NeoPay terminus. NeoPay is the payment subsidiary of which country's bank? UAE is the right answer. Next question. HDFC will sell 100% stake HDFC Capital to ADIA for rupees 184 crore is the right answer. Next question. Punjab National Bank, India's second largest bank, has celebrated its death Foundation Day on April 12, 2022. 128th is the right answer. Next question. For a period of how many days the insurance scheme for healthcare workers fighting COVID-19 Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package has been extended? 180 days is the right answer. Next question. Housing Development Finance Corporation यानी कि HDFC will sell a 10% stake in HDFC Capital Advisors to wholly owned subsidiary of the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority to raise funds of rupees 184 crore. 10% is the right answer. Next question. Death has launched Tap to Pay for UPI new functionality to bring the seamless convenience of Tap to Pay the UPI. Right answer, Google Pay is the right answer. Next question. After the merger of HDFC Limited with HDFC Bank, what will be the share of public shareholders in the merged entity? 100% is the right answer. Next question. Which general insurance company launched India's first industry-based digital customer engagement and rewards program Vault? HDFC ERGO is the right answer. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है स्कीम एंड कैंपेन रिलेटेड टू बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर. लास्ट 6 मंथ के क्वेश्चन हम इसमें कवर करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which of the following state government has launched a Panchamrit Yojana scheme with an aim to double farmers' income? Uttar Pradesh is the right answer. Next question. A new scheme named Dhan Sanchay has been launched by which of the following? LIC is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following state has signed an MOU with Telangana to set up its first all-women-run financial institution in the cooperative sector on the lines of the Srinidhi model of Telangana? Rajasthan is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following companies has signed an MOU with the Bihar State Skill Development Mission to create supply chain operations talent pool in July 2022? Flipkart is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following has launched My Pet My Right program in Leh? And NABARD is the right answer. Next question. Is 5.0 common reforms agenda launched by dash? Nirmala Sitharaman is the right answer. Next question. Which platform has recently launched the SMB Sathi Utsav initiative to support small businesses through digital mediums? WhatsApp is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following life insurance company has launched Bima Ratna, a non-linked, non-participating individual saving life insurance plan? LIC is the right answer. Next question. Where was the Department of Post Payments Bank यानी कि IPPB आरोहण 4.0? शिमला is the right answer of this question. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है एग्रीमेंट एंड पार्टनरशिप इन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर. लास्ट 6 मंथ के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हम इसमें कवर करेंगे. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, which of the following bank has partnered with ADB to support supply chain financing? Right answer, IndusInd Bank is the right answer. Next question. The SBC Cooperative Banks, SBC Bank has entered into an agreement with which of the following to improve the flow of credit to the MSME in August 2022? SIDBI is the right answer of this question. Next question. Which state has recently in MOU with Deloitte India to achieve the target of $1 trillion economy? Right answer, Uttar Pradesh is the right answer. Next question. Which bank has signed an agreement with trades platform M1 Exchange? HDFC Bank is the right answer. Next question. Which company has partnered with SIDBI to launch 1000 green energy enterprises established throughout the country? What is the right answer? TP Renewable Microgrid is the right answer. Next question. Global escrow banking solution provider Castler has partnered with which bank to offer digital escrow services for the bank's customer? Yes Bank is the right answer. Next question. NPCI International Payments Limited has signed an agreement with which company to become UK's first acquirer for UPI and RuPay? तो Payexpert is the right answer. Next question है हमारा, telecom operator Bharti Airtel has allotted over 7.1 crore equity shares to which company for rupees 734 pieces? Google is the right answer. Next question. SBI Cards and Payment Services announced that it has entered into a strategic partnership with dash. What is the right answer? Aditya Birla Finance is the right answer. Next question. Kotak General Insurance collaborates with dash to offer motor insurance. PhonePe is the right answer. Next question. With PNB out of the way, Canara HSBC Life has undergone a rebranding presently. What is the percent stake of PNB in the insurance branch of Canara Bank? 23% is the Right answer. Next question. DBS Bank India has bought what percent stake in Swakarma Finance? 9.9% is the right answer. Next question. Recently, Competition Commission of India cleared Axis Bank City deal worth dash. Rupees 12,325 crore is the right answer. Next question. Which IT giant announced the signing of a new 5-year contract for digital transformation with Nokia on Finland? Wipro is the right answer. And next हमारा question. Which company will acquire wealth management platform Wealth and OpenQ for about $75 million in total? PhonePe is the right answer of this question. Next question. Which bank has acquired Citibank India's customer business for an amount of $1.6 billion in all cash deal? Right answer. Axis Bank is the right answer. Next question है हमारा. हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है अपॉइंटमेंट्स एंड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन. तो अपॉइंटमेंट्स जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे लास्ट 6 मंथ की, इसमें पहला हमारा क्वेश्चन है हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू चीफ इकोनॉमिस्ट एंड सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट फॉर डेवलपमेंट इकोनॉमिक्स एट द वर्ल्ड बैंक? राइट आंसर है इंद्रमीत गिल इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who became the first woman and second Indian to feature on the wall of former chief economist of the International Monetary Fund IMF? Geeta Gopinath is the right answer. Next question. Who has been named as the first Indian origin woman to be appointed as an external member of the Bank of England? Swati Dhingra is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as MD of Union Bank of India? A. Manimekalai is the right answer. Next question. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank Limited has announced the appointment of Das as the MD and CEO. So Krishnan Sankasubramaniam is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new CFO of the fintech startup BharatPe? Nalin Negi is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Unity Small Finance Bank? Indrajit Kamotra is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as MD of NABF FID? Rajkiran Raiji is the right answer. Next question. The central government has reappointed 4 independent directors on the RBI Central Board for a term of 4 years. Who among the following is not in the list? So Krishnan Iyer is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as new MD and CEO of NSC? Right answer. Ashish Kumar Chauhan is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as temporary chairperson of Karur Vyas Bank? So Meena Hemchandra is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as the Director General of NDB India Regional Office in Gift City? So Dr. DJ Pandian is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Paytm Payment Services Limited? The Nakul Jain is the right answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as part-time non-official directors of the Central Board of RBI? All of the above. यानी आनंद महिंद्रा, वेणु श्रीनिवासन, पंकज पटेल, ये सभी सही आंसर हैं. तो all of the above is the right answer. Next question. Who has taken charge a whole-time member WTM at the Market Regulator Security and Exchange Board of India यानी कि SEBI? तो अश्विनी भाटिया is the right answer. Next question. Who has joined National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited NARCL as Managing Director and CEO? So Natarajan Sundar is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following has appointed ex-RBI Deputy Governor S.S. Mundra as its chairman? So BSC is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT? Nitin Gupta is the right answer. Next question. Who among the following has been elected to the Board of Directors of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, USA? Right answer. Arvind Krishna is the right answer. अब हम चलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे, वो है जीडीपी एस्टिमेशन, जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे. अभी जो हमारे करंट में चल रहे हैं सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लिए गए हैं इसमें. तो चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं. हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है गोल्डमैन सैक्स हैज रिड्यूस्ड इंडियाज जीडीपी ग्रोथ फोरकास्ट फॉर 2022 फ्रॉम 7.6% to what percent? Right answer 7% is the right answer. Next question. Moody's has reduced India's GDP estimate to what percent? 7.7% is the right answer. Next question. What is the projected GDP growth rate of Indian economy in 2023 as per Nomura? 4.7% is the right answer. Next question. The IMF has slashed India's growth forecast for financial year 23 by 80 basis points to dash from 8.2% to 7.4% is the right answer. Next question. ADB has slashed India's GDP growth forecast to dash for financial year 23. 7.2% is the right answer. Next, Morgan Stanley has sharply lowered India's GDP growth forecast for 2023 to dash. Right answer 7.2% is the right answer. Next question. The World Bank has slashed its growth forecast for India for the current financial year to dash percent. 7.5% is the right answer. Next question. World Bank has cut the global growth forecast for 2022 to dash percent due to the impacts of Russia invasion of Ukraine. 3.2% is the right answer. Next question. ICRA has projected India's GDP growth as dash for the quarter one यानी कि अप्रैल to जून financial year 23. 13% is the right answer. नेक्स्ट है इंपॉर्टेंट सेविंग स्कीम एंड इंटरेस्ट रेट जो है ये डिस्कस किया है। तो चलिए देखते हैं हम इंपॉर्टेंट सेविंग स्कीम एंड इंटरेस्ट रेट। तो इंपॉर्टेंट स्कीम किसान विकास पत्र इंटरेस्ट रेट 6.9%, पब्लिक प्रोविडेंट फंड पीपीएफ 7.1%, सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना 7.6%, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट 6.8%, एम्प्लॉय प्रोविडेंट फंड 8.1%। तो ये हमने क्विक रिवीजन डिस्कस किया है लास्ट 6 मंथ बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस का अप्रैल टू सितंबर। और आप लोग हमारे चैनल पे सारे इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। ये सारे ही आपके आने वाले एग्जाम्स के साथ साथ जिन एग्जाम्स में करंट अफेयर्स पूछा जाता है उनके लिए भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप लोग जाके देख सकते हैं। और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज वीडियो को शेयर जरूर करें, अदर स्टूडेंट्स को चैनल का नाम जरूर बताइए। और आप लोग हमसे डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी जुड़ सकते हैं, इन सभी के लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हैं। और चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं जिससे आपको आने वाले सभी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल सके। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, जल्दी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।